Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access the air filter, you need to remove the windscreen frame. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws holding the windscreen frame. Now remove the windshield frame. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 screws holding the lower frame in place. Then remove the whole thing. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip on the air inlet conduit. Remove the hose using a flat head screwdriver.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You can now lift the airbox. Remove the air inlet conduit by lifting the plastic tab. You can now remove the airbox. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the airbox flange. Open the flange and remove the air filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they are identical. Put the new filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. Put the flange back on. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Reinstall the airbox. Remember to put the air inlet conduit back in place. Put the hose back in place. Put the airbox back in its housing, then clip it in place by pushing down on it. Screw the clamp back on. Put the lower frame back in place. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Put the windscreen bay back in place. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.